Mastering modal verbs in passive voice. Enhance your oral presentations. Hello there, English learners. We're back with a new video. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting topic that often causes confusion but can significantly enhance your English language skills. Using modal verbs in passive sentences. In particular, we will explore how to use these in oral presentations, a crucial area in English language learning. Ready? Let's get started. Modal verbs, as you might recall, express possibility, ability, necessity, or other conditions. They include words like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. When we use these in passive voice, we're usually talking about actions done to the subject, rather than actions the subject does. For example, the active sentence, "The teacher will correct the essays," could become, "The essays will be corrected by the teacher," in passive voice. Notice how the focus shifts from the teacher, the doer, to the essays, the receiver of the action. When you're giving an oral presentation, your goal is often to share information, persuade, or engage your audience. Using modal verbs in passive voice can help you achieve these goals in various ways. Deflecting focus. Passive voice is useful when the action is more important than the actor, or when we want to avoid mentioning the actor. This can make your presentation sound more objective or diplomatic. Creating intrigue. Modal verbs add an extra layer of meaning, conveying necessity, probability, or ability. This can make your speech more nuanced and engaging. Let's see how you can use modal verbs in passive voice in an oral presentation. The annual report should be submitted by next Monday. Obligation. This issue can be solved with a collaborative approach. Possibility. The prototype will be launched next year. Future prediction. Remember, practice is key. Try to incorporate these structures into your own presentations, and you'll notice a significant improvement in the quality of your English language skills. That wraps up our discussion on using modal verbs in passive voice in oral presentations. We hope you found this video helpful and enriching. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with these new structures in your own presentations. Until next time, happy learning, and see you in our next video.